heartily welcome you to our educational channel Pragati Education. Now we are going to learn an interesting chapter from English grammar, that is one word substitution. So let us start the exercise. What we have to do? We have to replace a group of words. We have to replace a group of words with a single word. So number one who has a long experience in any field. One who has a long experience in any field. The right answer is veteran. 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 Number two, one who doesn't believe in the existence of God. One who doesn't believe in the existence of God. The correct answer is atheist. Atheist. Number three, one who is conversant with many languages. One who is conversant with many languages. The correct answer is linguist. Linguist. Number four, an animal that lives on another. An animal that lives on another. And the correct answer is parasite. Parasite. Number five, one who lives at the same time with another. One who lives with the same time with another. And the correct answer is contemporary. Contemporary. Number six, one who play games in pleasure, not professionally. One who plays games in pleasure, not professionally. And the correct answer is amateur. Correct answer is amateur. Number seven, yearly return of the date of an event. Yearly return of the date of an event. The correct answer is anniversary. Anniversary. Number eight, one having love for his country. One having love for his own country. The correct answer is patriot. Patriot. Number nine, a play with a sad ending. A play with a sad ending. And the correct answer is tragedy. Tragedy. Number 10, one who looks only brighter side of things. One who looks only brighter side of things. And the correct answer is optimist. Optimist. Number 11, one who looks darker side of things. One who looks only darker side of things. And the correct answer is pessimist. Pessimist. Number 12, one who walks on foot. One who walks on foot. And the correct answer is pedestrian. Pedestrian. Number 13, things which can't be read. Things which can't be read. The correct answer is illegible. Illegible. Number 14, things which can't be seen. Things which can't be seen. The correct answer is invisible. Invisible. Number 15, things which can't be believed. Things which can't be believed. The correct answer is incredible. The correct answer is incredible. Number 16, life story of a person written by himself. Life story of a person written by himself. The correct answer is autobiography. Autobiography. Number 17. A place like the drawer where clothes are kept. A place like the drawer where clothes are kept. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. The correct answer is wardrobe. Number 18. A person who studies stars and planets. A person who studies stars and planets. The correct answer is astronomer. Astronomer. Number 19. That can be seen through. That can be seen through. The correct answer is transparent. Transparent. Number 20. Of one's own free will. Of one's own free will. The correct answer is voluntary. Voluntary. Number 21. Working room of an artist. Working room of an artist. The correct answer is studio. Studio. Number 22. A person who delivers a speech or an oration. A person who delivers a speech or an oration. The correct answer is orator. Orator. Number 23. A gathering of listeners. A gathering of listeners. The correct answer is audience. Audience. Number 24. A thing which is one of its own kind. A thing which is one of its own kind. The correct answer is unique. Unique. 25. A person who can neither read nor write. A person who can neither read nor write. Illiterate. The correct answer is illiterate. Number 26. Working just for honor and is not paid. Working just for honor and is not paid. The correct answer is honorary. Honorary. Number 27. One who takes up arms against government. One who takes up arms against government. The correct answer is rebel. Rebel. Number 28. The study of coins. The study of coins. The correct answer is numismatic. Numismatic. Number 29. Something done or made without preparation. Something made, done or made without preparation. Extempore. Extempore. Number 30. One who is present everywhere. One who is present everywhere. The correct answer is omnipresent. Omnipresent. Number 31. The practice of having more than one wife or one husband. The practice of having more than one wife or husband. The correct answer is polygamy. Polygamy. Number 32. A lover of mankind. Number 32. A lover of mankind. Philanthropist. The correct answer is philanthropist. Number 33. One who dies for a noble cause. One who dies for a noble cause. The correct answer is martyr. The correct answer is martyr. Number 34. One who loves oneself. One who loves only oneself. And the correct answer is egoist. The correct answer is egoist. Number 35. A child whose parents are dead. A child whose parents are dead. The correct answer is orphan. The correct answer is orphan. Number 36. One who hates women. One who hates women. The correct answer is misogynist. Misogynist. Number 37. One who leads others in any field. one who leads others in any field. The correct answer is pioneer. Pioneer. Number 38. That is fit to be eaten. That is fit to be eaten. The correct answer is edible. Edible. 39. That ends in death. That ends in death. Mortal. Mortal. 40. That can cause death. That can cause death. The correct answer is fatal. Fatal. Number 41. That which can't be defeated. That which can't be defeated. Invincible. The correct answer is invincible. Number 42. One who is all powerful. One who is all powerful. The correct answer is omnipotent. Omnipotent. Number 43. One who has knowledge of everything. One who has knowledge of everything. The correct answer is omniscient. The correct answer is omniscient. Number 44. Belonging to all parts of the world. Belonging to all parts of the world. And the correct answer is universal. Universal. And here is the end of this chapter. That is one word substitutions. We are going to back very soon with the next chapter with more question and their answer. Till then, thank you.